In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live Excel spreadsheet in Microsoft Sway. Embedding a live Excel spreadsheet into your Sway presentation is a great way to display data that stays interactive and up to date. Instead of showing static numbers, you can present a spreadsheet that viewers can scroll through and explore, making your content more engaging and informative. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Sway, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, open the Sway where you want to add your spreadsheet, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Make sure your Sway is ready so you can easily place your content where it belongs. Next, open your Excel file in Excel for the web. This is important because the spreadsheet needs to be stored online in order to generate an embed link. Once your file is open, look for the Share option. Click on it and adjust the settings so that anyone with the link can view the file. This step ensures that your embedded spreadsheet will be accessible to viewers of your Sway. After setting the permissions, locate the option to embed the file. Copy the embed code or link provided. This code allows your spreadsheet to be displayed directly within another platform, such as Sway. Now, return to your Sway presentation. Navigate to the part of the storyline where you want to place the spreadsheet. Click on the plus icon to add new content. Then go to the Media section and select Embed. This option allows you to insert external content using a link or embed code. Paste the embed code or link into the provided field. Once added, your Excel spreadsheet will appear within your Sway as an interactive element. You can resize or reposition it to fit your layout and ensure it aligns well with your other content. To make sure everything works as expected, use the Preview option to view your Sway. Test the embedded spreadsheet to confirm that it loads correctly and allows interaction, such as scrolling through rows and columns. By embedding a live Excel spreadsheet, you can present data in a more dynamic and flexible way, making your Sway presentations more powerful and engaging. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.